Behold the bag. Perfectly fine as it is. Functional, cute, and it was a gift from my beloved. But am I about to leave it plain? Absolutely not. So today he meets his savior. Or do. Let's find out. I don't know why am I like this, but I have a need to make everything uniquely mine, no matter how perfect it is already. Also known as I can fix it syndrome. So I'm doing some rough sketches to get an idea more or less. This part will be in weaving and this part will be in bead embroidery. Probably. Technically, I have no idea if this will be Pinterest worthy or it will go straight to. What was I thinking, Pyle? Okay, so this part is almost done now. Yeah, so I'll move on to this part now. I'm not feeling very good today, but at least I'm working. So let me show you. I was thinking some spring flower here and here, and I was trying to find the perfect one, and I did found it. It's something called Hepatica nepalis or Hepatica nobilis, probably Hepatica nobilis, and they are actually among the first to bloom in spring. And I was thinking it's perfect just because it's February now and the spring is coming. I accidentally discovered this technique while I was making a yellow flower. So I needed a yellow fabric, but I had none at that time. So what I did is I dissected some yellow yarn and then I felted those into a white cloth and then just made my own yellow fabric. Now I just pretend that I always knew what I was doing.
Lost in the haze, falling on
I'm feeling much better today and I think I'll finish the flowers by tonight. I mean the petals.
a symphony of
Let's see if I
dreams.
can.
Colors collide, painting the night sky. In this ethereal realm, we learn how to fly.
My goal here is simply to make people wonder.
Oh, where did you got it?
I made it myself. Because let's be real, I love the attention, although it makes me anxious. Let me get ready, then I'll show you how this turned out. Ta-da! Now this is a bag with personality. I'm very proud that I managed to keep the inside clean. I mean, not even a single thread. And Puma, if you are watching this, please sponsor this video. I guess this is the proof of even the coolest of bags can have a little pizzazz.
Oh, where did you get it? বলো তো এটা তোর
না না আরেকবার বলো